Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a video where I talk to you about really bad skincare advice from celebrities. Now, I personally fall under the impression that a lot, in fact, most celebrities don't know anything about skincare. So when they take to a platform and start writing about their skincare secrets, I turn a little bit of a critical eye because a lot of what they say is actually really damaging for the skin. So I have 5 celebrities that have given skincare advice and have shared their skincare secrets. And I'm gonna break them down for you and tell you exactly why they are super bad for your skin. So the first one is Karlie Kloss, and I actually posted this on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, which you absolutely should, you probably have seen this already. But basically, Karlie Kloss posted on Twitter that she uses toothpaste on zits. And I think we've all been there. I personally have. I've put toothpaste on zits before. There are a number of problems with this. Now, the reason why toothpaste works so well to flatten them is because toothpaste is super drying on the skin. So yes, it's true. It's going to dry out that pimple like crazy. However, the problem is that toothpaste contains a number of really bad irritants for the skin. And because it's super drying, it's also super irritating. So truly all you're going to do when you put toothpaste on zits is irritate your skin and probably make your acne even worse. I personally have tried it where I had really bad hormonal acne on my chin from hormones, and I tried putting toothpaste on them to flatten them out a little bit. And what ended up happening is I developed even more like micro tiny pimples in the region where I put the toothpaste on because it really irritated my skin. So word to the wise, don't do this. No toothpaste on zits. Use a benzoyl peroxide or a salicylic acid spot treatment. Those are way safer and way more effective than toothpaste. The next skincare secret is from good old KKW, Kim Kardashian West. She claims that her skincare secret is cleansing with a hot washcloth and then using it to exfoliate. Now, this is interesting to me because pretty much everyone, like all sorts of skincare people, estheticians, dermatologists, skincare enthusiasts, agree that super hot water is very damaging on the skin. And then the washcloth can be kind of hit or miss because personally, I like using a washcloth to cleanse my skin. But if you cleanse your skin really aggressively with a washcloth, you're gonna damage your skin. So how I prefer to do it is I apply my cleanser like normal to my face, and then I go in with a washcloth on top and I very gently buff in little circular motions in order to exfoliate my skin. I do not think you need to exfoliate every single day, especially if you use like an acid toner. Acid toners like an AHA or a BHA are way more effective at exfoliating the skin because it works at a molecular level and you're not just scraping away at your skin at a very superficial level, if that makes sense. With an alpha hydroxy acid, the molecules enable the glue between skin cell layers to become undone. So basically you're dissolving these layers of skin cell glue, which enables the dead skin cells to float away as you wash your face the next day. Additionally, beta hydroxy acids or BHAs or salicylic acid are really effective at cleansing the pore lining. So they actually get inside your pores and clean the pore lining to get rid of any dirt, debris, and bacteria and sebum buildup. I did a video all about pore care in terms of getting rid of blackheads, getting rid of clogged pores. So if you want to see that video, I will link it down below in the info box. But yeah, physical exfoliation every single day, super hot water, not a good idea. Our next culprit is Jamie King, and at first I was like, who is Jamie King? And then I realized that she was Lana Del Rey's lover in Summertime Sadness, and then I was like, oh, I know her. So Jamie King claims that she cleanses only at night and never in the morning. She claims that that's her skincare secret to perfect skin. However, I do not agree with this at all. I really do think that any nighttime skincare products need to be washed off in the morning, and then also your skin secretes oil and sebum throughout the night as you sleep. So if you want your makeup to lay really beautifully on your skin, if you want your sunscreen to lay really nicely on your skin as well, you need to have fresh, clean skin in order to have these products lay really beautifully on top. And then besides that, I'm just really worried about the sebum accumulation that will occur if you don't cleanse in the morning. And by cleansing in the morning, you don't even have to use a cleanser necessarily. You can just splash your face with water and kind of gently go with your hands and kind of clear up any of the oil. But if you really want to get a good cleanse, you need to use a good cleanser with gentle surfactants in it. Next up, we have Kendall Jenner, and Kendall Jenner is pretty controversial in my opinion because of her Proactive stint that I think she's still doing. But she claims she used Proactive. We're not sure that she used Proactive because, hello, she's a Jenner. She probably has a ton of dermatologists and estheticians that she goes to. So Kendall Jenner says in an article that she mixes half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of honey. And she writes that the baking soda and the lemon juice act to dry out the pimple, while honey works to soothe irritation. Yikes. So baking soda has a pH that is quite high. It's quite alkaline. So you have this very alkaline baking soda that's going on your skin, but you also have this very acidic lemon juice that's going on your skin. So my problem is not so much the pH that's going onto your skin, but rather the lemon juice, which is a huge irritant. So personally, I think the baking soda will dry your pimple out, but the lemon juice is going to seriously irritate the crap out of your skin. Now the honey will soothe the irritation because honey does have very strong antibacterial, humectant properties to it, so it draws water to the skin, and also it's antibacterial, so any sort of acne will be kind of abated. However, I don't think that the honey negates the damaging effects of the baking soda and the lemon juice. If you're going to use her recipe at all, omit the baking soda, omit the lemon juice, just put honey on your face. And if you do choose to use honey in your skincare as like a mask or something, which I have done plenty of times before, make sure that it's real raw honey. I like using Manuka honey. I think that it has the best benefits for the skin. And then lastly, we have Gigi Hadid. Beautiful Gigi Hadid. She uses St. Ives Apricot Scrub. That is a big yikes. I probably don't need to get into this, but basically St. Ives Apricot Scrub is this infamously notorious scrub. St. Ives Apricot Scrub contains walnut shell particles, which are extremely sharp, they're very jagged, they're very uneven, and they can cause micro tears in the skin. I want to say that mostly everyone in the skincare world agrees that St. Ives Apricot Scrub is literally the devil incarnate, but then we have some celebrities like Gigi Hadid who swear by these products. So basically, don't listen to celebrities about skincare advice, in my opinion. Listen to their dermatologists, listen to their estheticians. Celebrities tend to be very misinformed about skincare, and so I personally do not pay any attention to any sort of skincare routine that comes out from a celebrity because it's probably going to be either really, really expensive or really, really damaging. So that wraps up this video. If you guys like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow my channel in 2020, and I can't do that without your support. So if you want to see more of these skincare videos, then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below with what kind of videos you want to see. But until my next video, have a beautiful week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!